Texas not the only state experiencing the brunt of this crisis, however. Arizona Border Patrol agents this week seizing more than 50 pounds of fentanyl hidden under a truck bed. Local officials continue to sound the alarm, calling for more resources. Cochise County, Arizona Sheriff Mark Donnells is with me now. Sheriff, it's been a while since we have spoken. Thank you for coming back. The 50 pounds of fentanyl seized in one truck near Tucson. What are we going to do about this?
Well, Bill, they've set us up for failure here on the southwest border completely. And let me give you some numbers, Bill, that kind of highlights what's going on. This fiscal year, we've had 10,000 pounds of fentanyl, 180,000 pounds of meth, 86,000 pounds of cocaine, 5,000 pounds of heroin, and 311,000 pounds of marijuana come through the southwest border this fiscal year. The war on drugs is back, and until America steps up on this and secures this border, it's only going to get worse.
Wow.